Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you. We're looking to let's look to Theta token. So the question here is everybody talk about that Bitcoin will rise to the top side 60,000 or something like that. For me is the question I see only a bull trend or a bull run at the Bitcoin course, yeah. And in my eyes, if you look very in detail, this is not a bull run, this is only a retest of some levels, yeah. So let's say this is a bull run, yeah, a short-term bull run. If you look to the Theta token chart, then you can see that some lines and some trends is crossing, yeah. We have here two possibility. One possibility is the price of Theta token smash or push to the top side and make this move, and we will go in that way to the top side. So for me, is this scenario not possible? Yeah, maybe 20-30% is possible, but I think if you zoom in this chart, then you can recognize that we have here. Let's look something like that. Yeah, we could go in these levels back. Yeah, in this case. Yeah. And then maybe we could retest this area again, something like that. But after that, I see really no energy to go here to the top side. I think we will go here to the downside, but let's look more clear in detail. So let's look to Bitcoin price. At the Bitcoin price, we have the current situation that we are break this negative trend line to the top side. Yeah, a little bit to the top side is broke here to the top side. If you look here more in detail, then you can recognize that this line is very important for us. We have here two possibilities. One possibility is we're going here to 60,000, make this move. Yeah. The other possibility you can see also from this. The other possibility is we fall from these levels. Yeah, make a retest of this, and then finally we go here to the top side. This is the scenario for Bitcoin. And if you look here to a Theta token, we have a similar possibility that we go, if you zoom in, that we have here the constellation. Okay, we reach here a top. This top was here 8th of September. 8th of September was this, yeah. And now you can see a retest of this, and you can see a retest of this. And here is very important. Please, people, look to this. This is our negative trend line to the downside, yeah. And we are still in this negative channel. And this is the trend to the top side. So for Theta is here very important, like Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, the walls take the price above this line here. But in really, we have to go here to the downside, I think, yeah. We are coming to the end, and for me is only this move here to 58,000 possible, or this move. Yeah. So let's look. Also here you see that we have this constellation. I zoom in and then I look here. So you can see the trend is going here down, down. Then we move a little bit to the top side like this. Yeah. And now we see this here. So I think if I zoom in very detailed, then we could recognize that that we have here this constellation. And I think if I go back to Bitcoin price, I think let's look. These are the last steps. Yeah. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. For me, it's interesting some points. Yes, if we start from this point here, then I would say this was the pre-step. This was the finally step here, and this is the last step. And so I would say if I compare this with here a Bitcoin price, then you can see we have here energy to fall, and the stupid thing here is look, this is a trend to the top side, and if we break this here, this triangle to the downside, then we will see here 570, yeah, and at the 570 we have to look again, maybe this is possible or directly to the downside. Yeah, so I would say let's look to Bitcoin again. Let's look. Yeah, for me it looks like very bad because we have here very danger formations. But if you look here to Theta, you can see also this very wonderful rising to the top side, and then this move begins here to the downside, and the last step here starts to the top side. Let's look again, so very detailed to understand what constellation we have here really. Yeah, but I'm honest to you, that is very a dangerous constellation. Let's look. Yes, because here first, second, yeah, is rising to the top, and this is the last step. And you can see also from this negative, that this the last step is that we are coming here down. Maybe let's look. Yeah, I think this. I have to look. If we go here to this down, then we could make a retest, yeah, and finally we could go here to the downside. So have a nice day.